Now I would like to talk about adding vectors. There are two main methods of adding vectors. One is called graphical method, the other one is called component method. Right now we are going to talk about graphical method. This is a very easy method. You can obtain the answer graphically so that you can visualize the resultant vector, the total vector. So we start by placing any vector with its tail at the origin, and then place the tail of an unused vector to the tip of the previous vector. Follow this until you place all your vectors in this fashion. The resultant vector is found by drawing a straight line from the tail of the first vector to the tip of the last vector. Let me do a very quick example. Let me start with a vector going horizontal direction like this, and then I have another vector going upward direction like that, and then I have another vector going somewhere like this. Okay, and then I have another vector going somewhere like this. What I want to do is I want to add these four vectors together so that you can find the total vector or resultant vector. So total vector is the resultant vector. So this is how you do it. You start with any vector. I'm going to choose the red vector. You place that vector. Your tail is at the origin. This is my origin. And then you take your next vector, place the tail of that vector on the tip of the previous vector. So I'm going to place my black vector like this. Alright, I'm done with black vector. Now I'm going to place my blue vector like this. And then I'm going to place my purple vector on the tip of the blue vector, going like this. When I am done with all of those things, the resultant vector will be from the tail of the first vector, which is right here, to the tip of the last vector, which is right here. So this will give you my resultant. So this is the total vector. Your answer, your final answer, will not depend on the order you choose. You can start with black vector instead of red vector, but you should end up with the same total final resultant vector. We will learn more about adding vectors with the next video lesson.